Alright, we got Parker out here, master operator, cleaning up some junk around here.
Don't hurt my boat.
Yeah, just don't hit his boats.
Wreck that boat.
I won't.
Wreck the lawnmower.
Grab that thing up.
Can you move that boat?
No, just grab it already. You're fine. There you go. Grab that thing. Smash it.
What the heck?
Don't be swearing.
Dude, it's squished.
Get over there.
I am.
Turn it around and smash it by that other stuff on the ground. Pick it up as high as it'll go and drop it.
What?
Pick it up as high as it'll go and drop it. Yeah, drop it.
Grab it.
It's stuck. Now smash it with a bucket. Smash it like real hard. Give it some gas.
Out there like this. Oh, yeah. Now do that. Pick it up and drop it again.
Okay.
Do whatever. Be violent. Smash that thing.
You do this every day, so take advantage of it.
There you go. There you go. Now hold it and smash it down.
Smash it. Swing down with it.
Oh, it's stuck again. There we go.
Wait, I gotta pop the tire.
Yeah, pop a tire.
Oh.
Now, you gotta grab it the other way. There you go, now smush it. Smash it up and down. There you go, hit it. Hit it again. Hit it hard. Flatten like a pancake. Yeah! There you go. There, hold it like that and just hit it down in. Oh, don't hit the boat. Whatever you do, don't hit the boat. Careful. Bring it over here more. There we go.
One sec, I just have to do one more thing back.
Drop it again.
Smash it?
Yeah, drop it. Let go of it. There you go.
Aaron, come here.
Oh, the gas thing's out! Oh, yeah! Oh! Oh!
All right, this is our educational video, how to teach my stepdaughter how to wreck stuff with a mini excavator. She's gonna take this lawnmower right here and destroy it. This boy right here just destroyed that one. Figured this was a good opportunity to let my stepdaughter have extra fun. You want to turn the idle up for her?
We're not really like going forward and backwards.
Turn around and come grab this one. Got a fresh tractor.
Fresh one to break. The gas tank is like
There you go. Now pick it straight up in the air. Open the bucket up. Other way.
fresh one.
Go around all the way. Go grab this one.
Yeah, while you have it up that high, spin all the way around and grab this one. There you go.
There you go. Grab that thing. Smash it.
This is what we do for entertainment up here in Maine when we got nothing else better to do on a hot summery day.
Kill all
Teach our children how to wreck stuff with excavators. Parker, did you have fun wrecking stuff? Yeah.
Pretty much my thing. I learn how to fix things, but I take them apart and they're wrecked.
Perfect. Grab a hold of that bad boy, lift her way up in the air, and then swing her back out front where the other one is.
I can pretty much.
Hey, you can drag it right towards you. Don't. You can be rougher with it. You ain't gonna break it, Ari. You're just gonna break the lawnmower.
Yeah.
Yeah, crunch it.
I already popped 2 tires.
Nice.
There you go. Pick it way up.
Pick it straight up now. Now spin back around. Yeah, you're clear. Now extend the front arm way up. Yeah, get it way up there. Dropper. Do it again. I want to get a closer video of it. It's a great way to learn how to operate an excavator. You're not worried about breaking anything because you're trying to break things. All right, now try to put it back out there. Then now I want you to try to smash it with the arm. You can like come down and destroy it. Pick it right up, see if it'll go up.
Pick it up. It'll still go. Might as well do that.
I love how both steering wheels are like kind of right beside each other.
7 years now.
Pick it back up, Ari, and try to put it where the steering wheel is, and then you can smash it. There you go. Crunch it.
It'll still grab it.
Grab it, you got it. Nice. Now pick your back arm up, yeah, there you go, perfect.
Now go up and down. Peel it on the ground.
And just smash it. Yeah, there you go. Go way up with it so you get some real good force. Yeah. Now drop it. Pick it back up, drop it. All right, now just slam it with the thing. Come down and whale it. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Try to get it with the bucket, though. Actually, do this, Ari. Curl the bucket in so the bottom's flat so you can punch it. Like that. There you go. Stop right there. Don't turn it anymore because you don't want to push up against that arm too far. Now just punch that thing. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Hey, you better boxer than me.
All right, I think you'll be more brutal if you open the bucket up and use the teeth part and smash it. Try to rip that motor right out of the damn thing. Yeah,
Rip the motor
that's
out.
perfect right there. Yeah, crunch it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, is that the steering wheel? Oh, one of them.
Good job, Ariana. Really proud.
First time running it.
Pretty cool first excavator experience.
Turn the throttle up, kid.
Yeah, turn the throttle up.
Mark and finish these off, and then we're gonna put them away. Clean it up. It's teaching the kids how to run excavators by killing long tractors. It's a Maine tradition. Yeah, there you go.
Get right into it. There you go. What do you think's going right on? This is an operator now, isn't it? You gotta hold on to it long and get going and then let go of it.
Well, the kids had fun wrecking the 2 lawnmowers. Parker took off on the 4-wheeler, go down the river, go swimming with his friends, and Ari's going to work. But they're successfully not lawnmowers anymore. Win-win.